Look here, students. Question number first we will do. If 2x plus 3y equal to sine y, you will find dy by dx. Look here, you will do a differential with respect to x. Differential of 2x will be 2 into 1. Differential of 3y will be 3 dy by dx. And differential of sine is actually cos y, and y differential will be again dy by dx. This is a function of function. Now look here, you will transfer this 3 dy by dx. In right hand side we will get 2 equal to cos y dy by dx minus 3 dy by dx. Now dy by dx you take common, what we get? 2 equal to cos y minus 3 whole bracket dy by dx. So from here dy by dx we will get 2 upon cos y minus 3. So dy by dx we can say we will get 2 upon cos y minus 3. Look here, same as it is, question number 2. If xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y, you have to find here dy by dx. You will do differential with respect to x. Look here, we will do differential with respect to x, means here x or y is in multiplication, and multiplications rules you already know. First x will be as it is, differential of y will be dy by dx, and next is y is as it is, and differential of x is dx by dx. And similarly differential of y square differential is 2y, and y differential will be again dy by dx. 10x differential is sec square x, and y differential is 1, and differential of y will be dy by dx. Means here we get 1 dy by dx. Now look here, you will open the bracket, you get x dy by dx. Dx by dx will be 1, so you get y only. 2y by dy by dx, sec square x and dy by dx. This dy by dx you will transfer to the left hand side, and this y you will transfer to the right hand side. You will get here x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx minus 1 dy by dx equal to sec square x minus y. Now dy by dx you take common, you will get x plus 2y minus 1 dy by dx equal to sec square x minus y. We have to find dy by dx, so you get dy by dx equal to x sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. Look here, question number 3 is, if x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81, we have to find dy by dx. We will do differential with respect to x. Differential of first is dy by dx of x cube plus dy by dx of x square y plus dy by dx of x square y plus dy by dx of y cube, and plus equal to dy by dx of 81. Look here, differential of x cube will be 3x square. Differential here x square y, you will use here the multiplications rule. First x square is as it is, differential of y dy by dx plus differential of x square will be 2x and y is as it is. Similarly in the second bracket we have differential of x y square. X differential is 1, y square is as it is. Now x is as it is, differential of y square is 2y dy by dx. Now y cube differential is 3y square dy by dx, and differential of 81 is constant, so differential you can write here 0. All understand this? Now you write in a proper way. First you write all the dy by dx term. So dy by dx terms we have x square dy by dx, then next we have 2xy dy by dx, and we have 3y square dy by dx. So you can write these first. Other terms you will transfer to the right hand side. So this 3x square will be transferred, this 2xy will be transferred, and the y square will be transferred. So we get here in right hand side equal to minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. From here you can take minus common, and from left hand side take dy by dx common. You will get here x square plus 2xy plus 3y square dy by dx equal to minus 3 bracket 3x square plus 2y square plus y square, and now you will get dy by dx equal to minus 3 minus bracket 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Look at all of you. Question number 4 is, if sine square y plus cos xy equal to pi. You have to find here dy by dx. You will do differential with respect to x. Differential of first dy by dx of sin square y plus dy by dx of cos xy and equal to dy by dx of pi. Now look here, differential of sin square y means whole square we have, so you can write here 2 sin y, and sin y differential is cos y, and y differential is dy by dx. This is function of function. Now cos differential is minus sin xy, as it is you can write. Now xy differential you do x is as it is, differential of y is dy by dx, plus y is as it is, differential of x is 1, so you will get this, and differential of constant is 0, so you can write it 0. Sin 2 sin y cos y, you can write sin 2y dy by dx as it is, minus, you will open this bracket, so you get minus x sin xy dy by dx minus y sin xy equal to 0. Now dy by dx you can take common from these, you get sin 2y minus x sin xy whole bracket dy by dx equal to y sin xy. Now dy by dx you can find, so dy by dx equal to y sin xy upon sin 2y minus x sin y. Dy by dx equal to y sin xy upon sin y minus x sin xy. All of understand this? Now some formulas you have to learn. Tan 2a equal to, we have 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Sin 2a we have two formula, 2 sin a cos a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a we have 4 formula. Cos 2a equal to, we can write cos square a minus sin square a. We can write 2 cos square a minus 1, or we can write 1 minus 2 sin square a, or we can write 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square. Look here, with this question we will do, then you understand. Look here, y equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, you have to find dy by dx. In these type questions you have to write here formula. Look here, you can compare this formula, you have here to place of x, if you put tan theta, you will get this formula. So you can write here place of x tan theta, so theta equal to, we get tan inverse x. Y equal to, we get sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, we can write here sin 2 theta. So we can write here sin inverse sin 2 theta. Sin inverse and sin is cancelled, we get 2 theta, and theta it is what is tan inverse x. We can write again 2 tan inverse x, means y equal to, we get 2 tan inverse x. Y equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, means we get dy by dx equal to 2 tan inverse x, differential is 1 upon 1 plus x square, so we get here 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, question number second is y equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. You have to find dy by dx. Here also you put a place of x tan theta, and then theta will be equal to tan inverse x. So what you get, y equal to we get sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta we know already, that is formula for cos 2 theta. So that is sin inverse cos 2 theta equal to, here outside is sin and inside is cos, so the inside the cos you have to change in sin, that you can write here sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So you will get here sin inverse sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and sin inverse and sin cancel, you will get here y equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and theta what you can write, tan inverse x. So you can put here y equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, means dy by dx, pi by 2 constant, so 0 minus 2, and tan inverse differential is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx what we get, dy by dx we get 2 minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Question number 3 is y equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Here you will put x equal to sin theta, so theta equal to what we have, sin inverse x. So when you will put here, look here what you get, y equal to sin inverse bracket 2 sin theta root 1 minus sin square theta, and root 1 minus sin square theta is what is cos theta. So you will get here 2 sin theta cos theta, and 2 sin theta cos theta you know already, that is sin 2 theta. So you will sin and sin inverse cancel, you get y equal to 2 theta, and theta again you can put here sin inverse x, so you get y equal to 2 sin inverse x. Now you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, you get 2 bracket 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So dy by dx you get 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Hope you understand this. Thank you and have a nice day.